My name is Natsuyo Jaeke. I was born in Japan, but I moved to United States about 40 years ago. So I'm a US citizen. I'm looking after this blind elephant. Her name is Lamduan. My original major was music, but I went to America and then I worked at a bank for 22 years. Suddenly, elephant became very attractive. So what I'm doing now is what I was dreaming about, looking after elephant, trying to understand their nature. And their nature is still wild animal. They don't try to please us. So it takes a long time to win their trust. It's more challenging than domesticated animal like dogs. It's difficult, but I want to do it. That's what I came here for. The longer I stayed around elephant, I learned each elephant is very different. And understanding one elephant does not mean I understand others. They do very unexpected things. I learned the important thing to them is current moment. They don't think about future, they don't think about past, which is a little different from us. So I need to understand she's always looking at the present moment.